Hi Photoshop users. I know for change color you use hue and saturation. Also know you ignore the sliders. Earlier I used to do the same thing. But when I learned this secret trick for mine to change car color is so easy.
Oh my god! Wow!
In this video, I will share this trick with you, so if you're new, please subscribe. Let's start. For sample, I choose one of those image. When you add your image, select your image. Then go to Hue and Saturation panel. Pick your car color. Then do this saturation on -100. Like this. Now this is our secret part. After this, you need to play with these sliders. Adjust it. When this type of gray color comes, now you done. Your work pays off. Now, you can easily change any color without any trouble.
Nice.
Firstly, reset the saturation and change color with hue. If this video helped you, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching.